Today we're going to talk about the lawn sweep tool and how you use it to clean up inadvertent returns. We've all been on HDD job sites where you get inadvertent returns in someone's yard. Today we're going to show you how to clean them up. So as you can see, when you're working in a residential yard on an HDD job site and you get those terrible inadvertent returns, the lawn sweep is the ultimate tool to clean up that homeowner's grass. For more information on these kind of techniques and Ring-O-Matic products, visit us at ring-o-matic.com.